Why do 80% of businesses in Rincon choose Rincon Rocks Radio? Because they know the power of ultimate promotion. Rincon Rocks Radio and Promotions is your ultimate partner for unbeatable marketing deals. Imagine this, for less than $5 a day, you get a quarter-page ad in our monthly digital and print books, featured on Amazon, plus a custom business video and daily social radio commercials. Sounds incredible, right? Need more? Upgrade to our half-page ad at $200 per month for a full 1-minute radio ad, a video that can be updated weekly, and half-page digital and print exposure. Talk about value. And if you want the full package, our full-page ad is less than $100 per week. That's personalized video, full-page print and digital ads, and live remote coverage with broadcasts every day of the week. Don't miss out on the chance to make your business shine. Contact Rincon Rocks Radio and Promotions at 1-787-546-3252 or visit rinconrocksradio.com. Let's rock your business together.
All right. This is the section on the Rincon Rocks Radio Elite Credit Investment Advisors Program, and we're teaching basics of stock market trading today. We've got Emma located at the call center. And we are daily in 2026. We're daily at 9:30. Going to trade the stock market opening. We trade the mini Nasdaq, the E-mini Nasdaq futures on the TradingView platform. It's absolutely free. You can contact us at any time. We'll get you set up with a free TradingView simulator. And this is real-time stock market data, but you have zero risk because there's no real money in it. You're trading with a virtual platform. We're starting off with $500 every day. We start off with 500, no real reason why you have to. The units that we're trading and the contracts are, we're going to go ahead and enter there. The contracts that we're trading are minimum of $100 per unit, and we are trading $500 to start, and we like to start off and trade up to, 30 minutes or so. We trade the market, and then we see how it's going. Looks like it started off on a downward trend today, so we'll let it trade just a few minutes and settle out. 9:30 every day, the market opens, and you're going to see a market jump right there. It's either going to go straight up 2 or 3 or 4 levels, or it's going to go down. And today it jumped off and it went down, which is fine. It's going to settle out here in a minute, and we're going to watch and see if it does not switch and go back green candle up. We'll switch the direction and we'll trade with it down. You can make a profit trading down, which is called short. Or you can trade with the green candle going up, which is called long, a long position. So what we're doing is we're starting off with the TradingView platform. Again, 100% for free. We can give you a link, get a special discount. You get 30 days for free. It doesn't cost a thing. Try it for 30 days. If you're not interested, if it's not something you're interested in doing, then you don't really fall in love with it, then you can just opt out at any point. Doesn't cost a dime. So we offer a free Zoom class. 9:30 every a.m. Monday through Friday, and 7 p.m. 7 p.m. is the opening of the evening trading session. So you get to see that opening. It's a lot slower. There's a lot going on there. But anyway, so we're in. You can see our blue line where we got in up here. Probably should have waited till that popped open and then traded down. But in any case, we're going to be here and watch it turn green and go back up in a minute. Or we're going to click this button right here. Let's go ahead and click that for we're going to trade on the downside. So now we are, let's go ahead and pull this up where we can see it. What you're looking at there in the green, when it turns green like that, that means you're making money. So we're going to go ahead and close out there, make a little cash. So we just made some money there. We're going to go ahead and get back in. Let's get back in green and trade up. Now the candle's trading up. So we're going to click it. Put some money in the bank. We just made a little money right there. We're going to watch it again, get back in, clicking the blue button for buy, which means we're going to trade the green candle. We're going to wait for that. You see the price right in here. When it's red, it means you're losing money. When it's green, it means you're making profit. So We like to make a minimum of $3 per trade. We watch it real close. Try to make $1. There we go. We made some more money. All right. So let's do that again. Let's go ahead and click the blue button. We're set up to trade 1 unit. We're trading 1 unit on the E-mini NASDAQ futures, which is 1,450 different stocks on the NASDAQ. That means you've got a lot of area. The whole entire NASDAQ, S&P 500 is included in that. The Dow Jones is included in that. So we are just trading and letting this $3 to $5 profit go ahead and take it off the table, put it in our bank, and come back and trade for more. We're not trying to make a lot on every trade. We're making a little bit, and we're coming back. We're making a little bit more. So that's the secret. And again, no risk whatsoever because it is virtual simulated income. Getting in, trading the market a few minutes. We're just going to have a little something different for you every day to look at why this is trading. I'm going to go ahead and let you know that you can visit our website at any point in time as well, and check out some of the training packages we have. Of course, this class is free AM. The class in the PM is free, costs absolutely nothing. But we do have some training packages where we can do one-on-one Zooms, particularly with you, train you, get you in and out of all the tools, all the networking, everything that's involved. And I'd like to mention a little bit more about that. So we're going to play a commercial. We'll be right back.
You need to hear this if you're curious about trading stocks or crypto but worry about losing money. Let's talk risk-free learning. Welcome to Elite Credit and Investment Program, where you can learn to trade stocks and cryptocurrencies in a completely simulated environment. No risk, all reward. Imagine gaining the skills to navigate volatile markets confidently, all while using TradingView, absolutely free with any package bundle. That's right, a professional-grade trading platform at your fingertips with zero financial risk. Our simulated trading experience lets you practice real-time strategies, test your knowledge, and grow your confidence, all before you ever put your money on the line. It's the perfect way to learn and master the markets. Ready to start your journey? Call 1-939-739-4045 to schedule a free Zoom class, or visit EliteCreditAndInvestmentAdvisors.com to fill out our contact form. Don't wait. Take control of your financial future today with risk-free trading powered by TradingView. Elite Credit and Investment Program. Your path to mastering the markets starts here.
And we're back. All right, had to pop off for a coffee right there. We're right on the margin here, I see. Let's make this a little bigger. You can see that bigger there. Let's get, when it gets green, now you can see it a little better. When that red candle crosses over that blue line, that's going to be a profit. We're going to snag that right off the table, and we'll let you know what we made. So again, we're trading 1 unit, which means basically on 1 unit, you have to have 100 virtual dollars in the bank to trade 1 unit. It's also called a contract. And we're trading that NASDAQ E-mini futures. And that's just about one of the more solid groups that you can trade, because futures are always going up, they're always coming down. We really don't care which way they go, up or down, as long as we get in at the right spot. We can scalp and trade that for a profit. So we're watching this one trend down just a little bit, but we know, just like it's a law of nature, what goes up must come down, right? So what goes down must come up. We would prefer that it just popped over there and kept on going up and up and up all day long, make our job easier, but that's just not the way it rolls. You have to have a lot of patience and at least a little knowledge to know when to get in. Like the old Kenny Rogers song, you got to know when to hold them and know when to fold them. So that green's going up now. We're going to watch it cross that blue line. When it crosses the blue line, that's going to be profit. You'll see these numbers right here change to green, which indicates profit, and then we will snag them and make that money, and it'll go straight to our trading account. After it goes to our trading account, then we can at any time transfer it. Let me go ahead and move this up where you can see it there. We can transfer it to our bank. So that's how trading works. It's not any more complicated than that. We do have a lot of tools we can use. We're going to show you how to use all of the tools one at a time, a little something different every day. Today, we're just kind of jumping in. It's the first of 2026. We're going to trade all year long, 9:30 a.m. in the morning, 7 p.m. at night, just at least 30 minutes. Just give you a little taste of the action. If you're interested in trading the stock market, that's wonderful. And if you want to learn to trade crypto or anything else, it's all very similar. Same devices, same switches, same buttons in and out. Just have to learn a little more about the actual item that you're trading. Emma will be with us every day from the call center. She's standing by at any point in time to take your information down if you want a free introductory class, or if you just want to sit back in the background and get a free trading view and follow us every day. Click the buttons that we click, know how to get in and out, and just trade on your own is fine. It costs absolutely nothing to join with us. We'd love to give you a free trading view platform, get you started. This is the real deal. This is hooked to the real stock market. This isn't it is a simulating software, but it's real-time market data. We pay for real-time market data so that you can train for free. It's just a little service that we give the community for following us. We would love for you to pop by, give Emma a call or an email, let her know you're interested. You can do that by visiting our website, or you can just call one of the numbers on our commercials. Either way, you can see our number there, 877-587-4540, or you can pop by the Elite Credit Investors Advisors, Investment Advisor website, and we'll play that for you here in just a minute. In the meantime, I'm just watching that candle creep up there to the green, and it takes just a minute every so often. This is live, so we don't ever know for sure whether it's going to go up or down. We're only keeping a close watch on it. We've done our best technical analysis before we come on. We did some fundamental analysis. We're watching the market. I will go over a few basics. Right here in the middle is a little lightning bolt, and when I touch the lightning bolt, it gives us news. And so we read that news. It says Wall Street futures cut losses as Trump nominates Warsh for Fed chair. So that's an indicator. U.S. stock index futures, how strong is too strong? More events coming up. Let's look at some more events. So over here on the right, you're going to see this little thing on it. You see gold is up, silver's up, metals up. So you look at your indicators, you look at your information, and you determine whether it's more likely to be a bullish day, and bullish means strong or green, or is it going to be a bearish day? And anytime you hear somebody talk about a bearish day, that means it was favoring the people that are trading the red candles, okay, trading down. So we're going to watch just a second. My prediction is very simple. It's going to go up there across the blue line. We're going to snag it, make a few dollars. And we've been on this morning just a little bit. Let's see where my time indicator is. We've been on just a few minutes. We're going to be on a few minutes more, and then we'll pop off, and then we'll be back at 7 p.m. And we're going to trade every day. We're going to see us in real time. You're going to see us whether we're having a good day or a bad day. You're going to see us whether we're having an up day or a down day, but we will be live. We've been on about 14 minutes. We're going to stay on about 30 minutes. That's long enough for you to get a good idea of what's going on. We appreciate your attention and your time, and we're going to play a little something else while we wait for that to cross the line.
Feeling stuck in your financial journey? Let's unlock the path to wealth with Elite Credit and Investment Advisors. Welcome to the 3 pillars of wealth. At Elite Credit and Investment Advisors, we believe in empowering you with credit mastery, smart investing, and top-notch financial education. Tune in to Rincon Rocks Radio daily at 10 a.m., 3 p.m., and 7 p.m. for powerful tips and proven techniques that will transform your financial future. From boosting your credit score with our Dispute Beast tool, to mastering the stock market with TradingView, and even building an AI-powered business. Catch us live or watch replays on YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook. Your journey to financial freedom starts here. Visit EliteCreditInvestmentAdvisors.com or call 1-939-739-4045 for your free strategy session. Live wealthy now. #3 pillars of wealth. #Elite Advisors. #Rincon Rocks Radio.
Yeah, there we go. We see the green profit right there. We're going to go ahead and scoop that up. Boom. Money in the pocket. There it went. Anytime you see this little green button down here, you see the green go up above the blue, you made a profit. So in the time that we played our commercial, we made some money. We're going to go ahead and get it again right about there. And we're going to wait for it to come back up again. It looks like it's on a little bit of a trading trend up. And we're going to scalp just one more time. We'll scalp that. I almost forgot to mention, we do credit repair. We have an AI Credit Beast software. We can get you started for absolutely free on that. And what that does is that takes your credit score from wherever it's at to make it up to over an 800. We've started a little less than a year ago. We started that program, and it's phenomenal. It does everything for you. Click a button, put in some brief information. You got to identify yourself, make sure that it's really you. And then you click the button. It sends out all your credit repair information and letters, does it automatically, and mails you a report every 30 days. You upgrade. And I have seen people go from a 400 to over a 650 to 700 in less than 6 months. They like to tell you to focus on a year. Let's go ahead and take this profit. Boom, more profit, money in the bank. All right, so we're going to go ahead and get back in here. Blue, let it trade up. Sometimes it's on a trend. Right now it's on a trend. We're making money. Take that money off the top every time, and you can see. Can't see really well because it's kind of small, but you can see the profit down here. We are $100 away from our goal for the day. We try to make $100 every day. It's not a big, long goal, but it's enough to pay the bills. And the reason we do that is we want everybody to know this is not always going to be for those huge, big money investors, people that got discretionary income, millions of dollars. This is for everybody. Absolutely anybody and everybody can get started for free. Learn what they're doing. If they find out that they're interested in getting involved and want to sign up and trade their own money on their own time, remembering that we give no trading advice. We don't give stock advice, stock training. All we're doing is showing you what we do every day on our software for ourselves to make a little profit, and we want to share that information. Emma will tell you she's got a package for every size and shape of budget, starting for as low as like $100, something like that. Usually $100 is where you start because that's when we're in unit starts. But in any case, we're just passing on what we have here. So with that in mind, we're going to let this thing trend. We've been in for 18 minutes. Try not to keep you more than 30 minutes a day. You can learn enough to get started any given day for that. And let's see what else we have here to look at. We're watching that green candle come up again. We're watching it trend. Yeah. Gonna watch that green candle come up just a second. It's heading for that blue line. When it crosses the blue line, that means profit. And you know, we're gonna scalp that profit off. We're standing by right now to scalp that profit when it crosses the blue line. The green candle is reaching toward the blue line now. We got our finger on the button to take the profit off the table when it does cross. It's kind of fun to watch. It's nothing like it. It's nothing like watching that thing cross the line, see the profit go up and grabbing it and sticking it in the bank. So give that just a second. I got another something or other here. We got to play a little disclaimer. Let's.
They went went from a 520 credit score to 750 in 90 days using AI. And not gonna lie, I was skeptical at first, but this program literally taught me everything. Credit repair with Dispute Beast, building business credit, AI, advertising, even daily trading lessons with real people on Zoom. It's actually insane how much they cover, and the best part, zero risk, which honestly sold me. If you want in, call 1-877-587-4540 right now, because seating is actually limited, and I'm not just saying that.
Absolutely right. We're way up on the profit right now. We're going to go ahead and snag that when it gets up there. We do have limited seating available. We generally like to train a maximum of 10 students live per Zoom per day. So if you do want a position, you'll need to call away and make sure that Emma longs you up for a spot and get that rolling. The credit repair is a package. The business credit building is a package. You can bundle them all together, learn the stock market trading, build your business credit, business EIN, business address, business phone number, everything about building your own LLC. We can do all that for you, step by step, in-house, no issues. Let's go ahead and get in. There we go. We're watching this rising trend come up here. Open my window, and what I'm doing here, when I click this close position, I'm standing by, got my finger on the button like launching a rocket. When that green candle crosses the blue, if it's $3 or more to the good, we snag it. And that's what we do. We get that $3 at a time. We're doing great so far. We made over $100. We're trying to get another 92 to qualify for the day. And we're just trading $3 to $5. And we're blessed by the fact that sometimes it goes $3, $5, $10 at a time. We don't mind a bit. With that in mind, let's pop on over here and we're going to talk just a little bit. We got a little guy here. It's called Mike the Credit Guy. He's worked from Dispute Beast. They run our AI credit repair.
This is exactly how I escaped the paycheck to paycheck life by the age of 25. If you're in your 20s, 30s, 40s, or even 50s and you're broke, you're not alone. But staying broke, that's a choice. By the end of this video, you're going to know a 9-step blueprint to go from financially stuck to financially unstoppable, even if you're working a minimum wage job or drowning in debt. This is the exact same system used by self-made millionaires who started with nothing but a bad credit score and a cracked iPhone. And it's exactly what I would do if I lost everything today and had to start over at 21. This video is one of the most important wake-up calls for Americans right now because we're living in the age of inflation, $5 gas, and 5-figure student loan bills, but the tools to escape, they're more available than ever. This is going to be a 9-step process and you do not want to skip a single one because it can throw the entire process off. So let's jump in. Step number 1, we need to audit your reality because you can't escape something you won't look at. We need to go old school with this. Open your bank app, get a notepad, write down your income, your expenses, and your debts. Then circle the things you're emotionally avoiding. That $897 credit card bill that you've been ignoring. I understand this hurts, but it's necessary because you can't fix what you're blind to. Now, step number 2, we want to eliminate financial parasites. A lot of you are not gonna like what I'm gonna say, but I'm gonna say it. Netflix, DoorDash, Amazon Prime, random gym memberships you haven't used since February. Kill them. Kill them all. Because every single dollar you spend out of habit is a dollar that keeps you broke. Most 20-somethings are bleeding $300 to $500 a month on absolutely nothing. Simply put, cut everything ruthlessly. You can always resubscribe later. Now moving to step number 3, master one high income skill. If you're working 40 hours a week and still can't breathe financially, you don't need more hours. You need more valuable hours. Good example, copywriting, digital ads, video editing, sales, or coding. Pick one and commit 6 months to it like your life depends on it, because it does. Step number 4, open a high yield savings account. It's one of the easiest and best things you'll ever do. Put your emergency fund in a place that actually earns you something. Online banks like Marcus, Ally, or SoFi offer way better rates than your local banks. You're not investing just yet. This is your sleep well fund. Let's just be honest. Banks like Bank of America, Wells Fargo, and Chase Bank are giving you absolutely nothing to hold your money in their bank. It's time to make smart moves with your money. Now moving on to step number 5, get a side hustle that scales. Uber's fine, but at the end of the day, it's a dead end. Instead, you could do things like flip items on eBay, create digital products, run a content page, start affiliate marketing, something that can grow even when you sleep. Because remember, trading time for money forever equals modern day slavery. Step number 6, automate 3 key habits. This is crucial. It's what I call the set it and forget it. Number 1, auto transfer $100 a month to savings. Put it away and don't even look at it. It's like it doesn't exist. Number 2, auto pay your credit cards to pay off in full every single month. We don't pay these banks any interest fees. If you don't have the money to pay it, don't use a credit card. It's that simple. And number 3, my favorite, auto invest $20 a week into an index fund. Even small amounts done consistently will stack faster than you ever think. I want to give a special shout out to all my beasters out there that are working hard to fix their credit using DisputeBeast, the most advanced AI credit repair software ever created that comes with a 110% money back guarantee. But specifically to Kenneth. Kenneth's credit score went up 282 points after just 1 round with DisputeBeast. And Arthur's credit score went up 670 points after just 2 rounds with DisputeBeast. But let's not forget Destiny. Destiny's credit score went up 264 points after just 1 round with DisputeBeast. But specifically to Luis, Luis's credit score went up 261 points after just 1 round with DisputeBeast. And Jency's credit score went up 225 points after just 1 round with DisputeBeast. But let's not forget.
All right, so that's Mike, the credit guy. Mike's the one that runs our DisputeBeast call center, and he is a absolute expert at credit repair. He's time and time again, he'll take you from 0 credit and maybe a complete disaster all the way up over 620. And it's automated. It's an AI credit repair system that we can get you set up on an affiliate with. We can get you started for absolutely 0. And then after that, there's a $49.95 monthly charge, but that monthly charge is more than worth it. I have seen 50, 100, 150 points of credit go up every 30 days. So it does not take long to see. You've seen an immediate result, and a person that has a good idea of where their credit is at, they can accomplish anything. He talked about affiliate. We can set you up on affiliate marketing with us if you like. You get paid for every time you send a customer toward us. We get them signed up. You make a percentage. You make a profit every time that they join a class. You make a percentage. You can actually take our class for free, get started, have a few friends referred, and continue for free. Continue to make some money in your pocket. So we have an affiliate marketing program. Then he talked about having a side hustle that scales. Trading the stock market like we're learning to do right here is one of the most lucrative things on the planet. You can trade for free, learn to trade for absolutely free, learn your skill set when you get where you want to invest a little of your own money. And you can take that money and multiply it. You're watching these green candles go up. They go up every day. And then you snag them when they cross that blue line. We're going to show you why we get in where we get in, why we get out when we get out, how we do it, all of that. The who, what, when, where, and why. We cover that on free Zoom classes. And we do that every day, 9:30 a.m., 7 p.m. So if you didn't perhaps catch this live with us at the 9:30, just remember we're here at 7 p.m. for those folks that get off of work in the evening and want to catch us. We have a class at the 7 p.m. mark as well. Got just a couple more minutes. We're about 28 minutes in. We're going to give it another minute and a half, 2 minutes on that green candle going up. Again, you've got to have patience enough to let that thing trade up. If, for example, it's like it is right now, it's a little slow in the market today. It has trended down just a little and back up, and it's due. Anybody see our blue line crossing over here at the higher high? That means it's going to definitely go up there. No doubt it's going up there the next few minutes, but whether it'll be the next minute and a half, who knows? So At this point, we're going to go ahead and play one more little information commercial and for a local, and then we will talk to you tonight at 7. So let's play this, see where we're at. When we
If your beach day looks like a parking struggle, you're doing it wrong. Ride with Paradise Falls Taxi. Whether you're catching a flight, hitting the beach, or exploring hidden gems, we've got you covered, local and island-wide. Fast, friendly, and always reliable. Call 787-546-3252 now, or visit us online for your free quote. Don't wait. Ride with the best in Rincon. Paradise Falls Taxi Service, where paradise takes you.
All right, well, that's going to be it for today's trading. It looks like it's going to be another few minutes before it crosses up the top side. So we will go ahead and pop out for today. Miss Emma, give us a few words of encouragement real quick, and we'll be back tonight at 7.
Okay, hi everybody watching our stream this morning. Anyone out there interested to learn on how to do crypto trade, please contact me at 787 and on the phone number we have on screen, and let me know, or just visit our website and fill up the contact form, and from there we're gonna contact you and give you our schedule and put you on our different slot. And see you at 7 p.m. God bless everyone.
Ever wondered what paradise sounds like? Rincon's best kept secret is on the airwaves. Rincon Rocks Radio delivers classic rock from the 60s, 70s, 80s, and beyond, but we're so much more than music. Join Dr. Cam behind the scenes and Anaida Casanova broadcasting live from Rincon's most interesting locations, including the Thursday Art Walk downtown. We know what's happening in paradise because we are paradise. Birthdays, anniversaries, special requests, we play your hits while keeping you connected to authentic island life. Log on at rinconrocksradio.com or call 787-546-3252. Find us broadcasting live from every business in Rincon. This is your soundtrack to paradise.